JD Cap 26 here. I just do the tips and repairs and your tools to clean the bottom of your beater bar on a vacuum, a Dyson vacuum, or a flashlight, and a razor. And that's what we took out of the vacuum, all on that beater bar. You have to be very careful when you reach the ball part here where the belt is. You don't want to cut the belt off. You do want to pull it off the wheel and get in here. There's a lot of hair in the hair you want to take away because it does wrap the hair around there. It just doesn't suck it up, the hair. It wraps it around the beater bar. That's what I want to show you. I'm going to clean the face plate, which is down there. It's got 3 little screws you take off with a quarter or a screwdriver. And I know it's a gross job. Wear a mask, wear gloves. Doesn't bother me because it's got to be done. It'll run better and the motor will last longer. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for new videos.